Hi, I'm Priyanka, and I'm going to share why I like the Oregon Scientific Barbie Bee book. This toy laptop resembles a grown-up laptop with a QWERTY keyboard and mousepad. The laptop has 9 activity themes which little girls can choose with the press of a button. The activities focus on basic skills like grammar, math, logic, memory, and music, blended in Barbie play patterns of fashion and beauty. The laptop comes with a volume and contrast control button. Earphones connect to the laptop for more advanced play. What I really like about this toy is that you can actually customize the toy for Barbie to greet your daughter by her name. The toy helps my 6-year-old boost and develop her keyboarding skills. Trust you found this useful. See you later.